Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AirCase laptop messenger bag. Actually, it's more of an unpacking than an unboxing. You can see what the messenger bag looks like. Let's just give you a closer look. So there you go. This is what this particular bag looks like. This is a laptop carrying bag. This may hold a 15.6-inch laptop. We shall find out soon enough. But this is basically a shoulder carrying bag. There are a lot of pouches here. There are two right up front. No pouch at the back, but there's a strap over here, and this is the carrying strap as well. You can carry it like an attaché if you want to. Notice the AirCase logo over here. Let's take a look at these pouches first. Alright, that's one pouch. This is pouch number 2. So yeah, these pouches have some extra, secondary pouches as well. There is one over here, so a lot of you can basically store your documents or notebooks here. You can also store documents and notebooks here as well, but there are also extra pockets for stationery, as you can see. Now let's take a look at the laptop sleeve itself. There should be a carrying strap inside. Let's find out. Yeah, there you go. This is the carrying strap. And this is the laptop sleeve. The inside has this velvet fabric to it. It's very soft to touch. This will keep your laptop very safe. I do have a laptop with me. So let's see if this fits over here. We shall give it a shot. There you go. This does fit in here. So this is good for laptops that are smaller than 15.6, like a 13-inch or a 14-inch laptop. This is good for. There's also still some space here, by the way, so I can put my charger here. Let's see if this holds. There you go, it does hold. And I'm going to close the zip now. There you go, pretty comfortably. Now for these pouches, let's see what we can put over here. I have a notebook, so we can put a notebook like that. I think it's too small for a notebook. Let's try some other stuff. Let's see. Okay. You can put your. Okay, let's see here. What can you put here though? No, this is not gonna fit. Oh, you can fit a notebook here. So for books and stuff, this is a good compartment. And over here you have some more space. So say a document like a passport, you can fit, or if you have a smaller notebook, you can fit that over here. And then there are these even smaller pockets for stationery. So if you have, say, pens lying around, you can put it there as well. There you go. Time to close it up. And now for the carrying strap. Let's put these on. This is one, and that's number 2. And there you go. It's completely fit right now, very snug, and you can carry it around like this as well. Speaking of the strap, it's a pretty thick strap, and this comes with this foam padded shoulder pad as well. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the AirCase laptop messenger bag. Thank you for watching.